always said we don't sell homes, we just help people. And that's what that sincerity of wanting to help people and doing the right thing. We're not perfect, we make mistakes, but we do try every day very hard to make sure that we're doing the right thing and get a lot of enjoyment out of knowing that we're helping people. And that's really what our goal is here at Landmark Fine Homes, to help people.
Building with Landmark Fine Homes is different than building with another builder because of our team. We have put together a wonderful team that just takes in the whole building process and cares about the client and the customer and the trades. And I think our team is probably our most valuable asset.
Landmark Fine Homes builds all over the metro. We build on your lot or ours. So if you build on an acreage, we built a ton of homes on acreages. And then obviously we have a bunch of communities around the metro. We have 10 different model homes right now, and that kind of ebbs and flows, but we'd love to see you come to one of our model homes.